guys, my name is Rohan. I joined QSPIDERS in month of January. Here I learn about Java and all these technologies where trainers are very supportive like Anil sir, Device sir and HTML trainer, SQL trainer. All the trainers here are very supportive towards the student. They really wanna grow student in every field. There are like mock presentations and grooming sessions and tests before joining the QSPIDERS. I was not known about all these things like how industry works and what they needed. Here I came to know about these things which used to increase my communication skills and boost my performance throughout my journey, and at last I get placed in my current job, which is as an associate software developer. Thank you.